Hi, my name is Yvonne Omamule Omasheye. Welcome to GARDENTINE 1.0. Today marks 3 years of Love Garden in Warri Kingdom. Love Garden has done so well, from planting in schools. Started from Love Garden Tiara, which is at Clever Minds Primary School. We came to Dom Domingos, to Gedegbe at Ashelu community, go different communities around Warri Kingdom. Today we witnessed how the women from Ajamimoga community and from the Guangwe community gathered together. Even some women from Ukere community joined. They came like 2, 3, 4 women. They heard and they just couldn't help but come. We see how Her Majesty handed over this gift pack in form of seedlings, like pumpkin seedlings, which is ugu, okra, tomato, garden eggs, and all other seedlings were given to these
to celebrate this Valentine's Day. You know, my heart day for the women. They are my constituents, my first constituents. And my heart is for the women. My heart is for seeing how in this kingdom our women can be uplifted.
I appreciate the Olori for this thing, because first of me, I will go and plant my own, because this thing now will help me. I will not be buying food. I will not be going to market to buy all this and this vegetable. This thing is good for our health.
Looking for opportunity like this, which today I am grateful that Olori had opportunity like this for women. I have been encouraging myself like that. One of these days, I would like to have a farm of my own in my compound. I would like Olori to bring this same project to Ajene Shemi community.
Today I'm here to receive a plant that will benefit my family and the community.
After planting and getting their seeds, getting their pods, we can replicate, and take it to other communities. So we're hoping, like a lot of women are calling to say, oh, this has to come to our community. We can't keep this. It can't just be done here alone. Her Majesty is committed to nurturing the women, nurturing the family, helping them to help and nurture their families.